Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the fixture, close the building shutoff, and tag the valve so others won't reopen it. Once pressure is relieved by opening the spout, remove the handle and escutcheon. Use a hex key or screwdriver as required. Make sure to photograph each layer as you disassemble, because the orientation matters. As you expose the cartridge and valves, note deposits and damaged seals. This tells you whether to rebuild or replace the cartridge, and why the leak or low flow occurred. Now you focus on the complex internal work. Remove the cartridge and examine O-rings, seats, and springs for wear or cracks. If you see mineral buildup, soak parts in a descaler. Do not scrub brass with steel. Replace any worn seals or the entire cartridge when tolerances are out. Improper seals cause persistent leaks. Once new parts are ready, lubricate O-rings with silicone grease, align the cartridge exactly as your photos show, and reinstall retaining nuts to factory torque, because correct alignment prevents binding. With the faucet reassembled, you turn the main back on slowly while watching every joint. A quick check at 15 to 30 seconds catches obvious leaks, and a follow-up at 5 minutes confirms seizure-free operation. Make small adjustments to handle tension and red-iron external fittings to spec. Over-torquing can damage parts. If a leak persists, shut the water, recheck seal seating and cartridge orientation, and consider swapping the valve body. Often a bad seat or warped body is the only remaining fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.